been posting on social media and you've not made any money yet. Like, you've not made any money. How? Or maybe you're just starting out and you're thinking, how exactly are content creators making money in Nigeria? Let me tell you something that you don't know. Content creation is currently one of the easiest, fastest way for you to start making money, just that some of you don't know how to do it. So in this video, I'll be breaking it down for you and I'll be explaining to you all from scratch how to start content creation and how to turn it into a money making business here in Nigeria. Welcome all to the 10xpreneur. Here on this channel, we create content on how to grow and monetize social media. So today we are talking about how to become a content creator and make money while doing this. So what exactly is content creation? Because I know that's what some of you be asking. What is this content creation? Content creation is the process of making valuable, entertaining or educating content that attracts people online. Emphasis on attract. Let me take that again. Content creation is the process of creating valuable, entertaining or educating content or videos. You can call this content videos, posts. Do you get? Making this content, posting them online in order to attract people to your post, attract people to your content. That's basically what content creation is. Now, before we go into how to make money doing this, how can you start? Say you are a beginner, right? How can you start content creation? For you to start content creation, it is easy. All you need to get started is your smartphone. Right? Once you have your smartphone, which I know you have, you need to pick a niche. When it comes to content creation, if you want to grow fast, you need to pick a niche. And what do I mean by a niche? You need to pick what you want to focus on. What exactly do you want to create content about? Do you get it? What do you want to create videos about? What is that thing you want to, use to build up your account, your social media presence? Now, I usually advise people to pick a niche from what they love doing. Content creation is not something you do today and you're done tomorrow. It is something you do, and while you're doing it, you need to enjoy doing it. So you have to pick something that you enjoy doing. For instance, I enjoy doing business. You see, buying and selling, I enjoy doing it. That is why if you go to my other channel, I post content about business, how to start a business, how to sell online. If you go to my other channel, Onyeora, the content you get there are business related, how to import from China and all that. They are business related. So it is easy for me to just create content. It is easy for me to just post something because this is something I enjoy doing. Now, had I went and picked a niche under sports, under fitness, that would be a difficult one for me to choose because naturally it is not something that I can just be doing every now and then. Do you understand what I'm saying? Pick something, pick a niche from what you enjoy doing. Let's say you enjoy fashion, beauty, makeup, then you can start makeup tutorial as a content niche, teaching people how to do their makeup, tips and all that. You can pick that as a niche. Let's say you are a techies person, you enjoy, tech reviews, gadget reviews and all that. You can start that as a niche. Let's say you are a fitness enthusiast, you enjoy those kind of things, you can pick that as a niche. What I'm saying here in essence is, when picking your niche, pick something you love doing so that it will be easy for you to flow. It will be easy for people to connect with you when you're create or when they see your content. On this channel, I enjoy content creation. I've been creating content for the past 5-6 years, and this is something I enjoy. I enjoy sitting behind my camera and making videos. So it is easy for me to flow. It is easy for me to tell you things about content creation. I can't get tired doing this. I love doing it. So pick something you love doing and start creating content around that particular niche. After picking your niche, the next thing you need to do is pick a platform. This is where most of you get it twisted. Pick a platform. If you know you enjoy creating long-form videos, go to YouTube. Come onto YouTube. Start YouTube content creation. Start YouTube content creation. If you know you just want short videos, that kind of real videos, you can go on Instagram. But I would advise that if you can do YouTube, Instagram, good and fine. If your energy can carry it, good and fine. And let me explain why. Because here on YouTube, you can post shorts video. YouTube shorts. Now those YouTube shorts are equivalent to Instagram reels. Do you understand me? Your YouTube shorts are equivalent to what Instagram reels. So you can post them on YouTube and at the same time post them on Instagram. You're using one stone to kill two birds. Do you understand me? You're creating content that you can post on both platforms. So you'll be growing on both platforms, Instagram and YouTube. And trust me, these are platforms where you make money, where you make real money. So if you can start off both, if your energy can carry it, I don't know. For me, I do both. If your energy can carry Instagram and carry YouTube at the same time, why not? Why not? Instead of just posting long form videos, posting shorts, you can actually be posting your long form videos on YouTube, and then your short reels, you post them on your YouTube shorts and also on your Instagram reels. So pick a platform. Facebook, if you want to do Facebook, fine and good. But for me, I don't know. I prefer these two. YouTube, Instagram. You can consider TikTok. I mean, there are loads of content creators, Nigerian content creators that are doing that are posting on TikTok. But when we get to the monetization stage, you understand why I want you to prioritize YouTube and Instagram better. You understand? After picking the platform, you need to start posting. You don't just pick a platform, pick a niche, you sit down, money will start coming. No, my brother, my sister, you need to start posting content. Remember what we explained when we were defining content creation? Content creation is a process of creating valuable, entertaining, or educating content that attracts people. So you really need to attract people. You need that community, you need audience. So you should start creating valuable content, entertaining content, educating content, and start posting it on either Instagram or YouTube or both of them, depending on what you decided. So start posting content. I would advise you as a beginner at least 4 contents per week, and these 4 contents, more of reels, then carousel, then picture content. I think I'm going to do more in total explanation about this type of content. I'm gonna explain it. Subsequent video, just ensure at this point you subscribe to this channel if you haven't subscribed yet, because on this channel it's gonna be juicy. We're gonna be making money online together. We're gonna be leveraging on social media platforms to make money. I don't want to delay, but just make sure you subscribe. So important, okay? So be consistent when posting, and whenever you're posting, make sure that the content you're posting is valuable, it is entertaining, it is educating. These 3 things should always be in your head. If you cannot have 3 in 1, at least have 2 in 1. You should be educating, you should be valuable. You should be entertaining, you should be valuable. Do you understand? That is what we attract people to your page. That is what we attract people to your Instagram page or your YouTube page. You need to attract people faster. The more people you attract, the more money you make. That is just the plain truth. The more people you attract, the more money you get into your account every single month. So post consistently. The 4th thing you need to do is to engage with your audience. You know, the way you're posting, people are coming, they are liking, they are commenting. You know, engage with your audience. People, make it interactive. If people are commenting, reply their comments, make it interactive. This is what will attract more people. People, oh, this person is active, this person will comment, he or she is replying. You know, make it interactive. Engage with your audience. And one thing you need to know is, growing on social media, you need engagement. Without engagement, you might not go far, you will not grow, you might not make that money. So engagement is so important. Now to the real deal of the day. 5 proven ways that you can use to make money as a content creator here in Nigeria. 5 tested and trusted ways. 5 ways I have seen, I have tried, I have tested, and they are paying me. 5 ways you can use to make money from your content or as a content creator here in Nigeria. Number 1 is brand deals and sponsorship. Brand deals and sponsorship. As a content creator, brands want to work with you. That is why you need to ensure that you're posting valuable content. When these brands see that, okay, you're getting a lot of engagement, depending on your niche, brands will start to reach out to you. So ensure that you have your email posted where they can see it, right? They will start to reach out to you. They want to work with you. They want you to advertise their product or their brand on your page, and you charge them for this. See, you can start getting brand deals with as low as 5,000 followers. 5,000 followers on Instagram, even 5,000 followers on YouTube. You can start getting brand deals, but don't charge them much because you're still starting up. You can charge 50k, 100k, you know, to advertise their products. When you do it well and you get sales from that advert, from that deal, they're going to come back again. That's one thing you should know. So one of the process or one of the methods that people, content creators, are using to make money is through brand deals and sponsorship. When you go to Instagram, you see a lot of them. You see different brands. You make money with that. 2 top brands. If you're able to grow your page faster, top brands that you know, mention those brands, they will start, contacting you to work with you. On my other channel, I have worked with lots of brands. I have worked with lots of brands, even foreign brands that will pay you in US dollars. I mean, brand deals will make you money. The second way that content creators are using to make money in Nigeria is affiliate marketing. Now, you don't necessarily have to sell your product. You can actually recommend a particular product to your audience, to your community, to your fans. When they buy that product using your link, your affiliate link, you earn commission for it. You understand? And most of your Instagram big guys and big girls, they are using affiliate marketing to make money. You can join different affiliate programs depending on the niche, depending on your niche, right? Look for affiliate programs to join. When you join this affiliate program, you come recommend. This is Black Friday season. When you go on Jumia, there are different products that are on Black Friday deals. Let's say your channel is all about gadgets. You can go on Jumia, pick a particular product, come talk about the product on your channel or your Instagram page. Encourage your followers to buy that product. So add your unique affiliate link. They use your link, they buy, you make money, you earn commission. So content creators are making money through affiliate programs. The third method that most content creators are using to make money is YouTube monetization. You already know that YouTube pays Nigeria, right? Instagram doesn't pay Nigeria directly. TikTok doesn't pay Nigerians directly, but YouTube is that platform, that one platform that pays Nigerians directly. As a YouTuber, if you start creating content on YouTube, you'll be able to, earn from your content. YouTube will start placing ads on your content, but you need to have at least a minimum of 1,000 subscribers, 4,000 hours of watch time for you to apply. If you want to start content creation on YouTube, trust me, this channel got all you need to get started. From how to create your YouTube channel the right way, how to customize your YouTube channel, the things you need to do that will help you to grow faster on YouTube. I have it on this channel. The 10xpreneur channel got you covered. Just go through my videos from the very first one, how to create your YouTube channel, how to design banners, how to use CapCut, how to edit, how to film, how to record videos. Every single video we have on this channel that will help you start your YouTube journey, grow and be able to monetize your channel. Watch those videos, take your time, go through my videos. Very, very valuable. I cannot be saying valuable and I'm not giving value. A whole lot of videos here that will give you real value. Check them out. You can start making money through YouTube monetization when you're able to monetize your channel. The number 4 way that most content creators are using to make money through their content is selling digital products. Selling digital products like courses, master classes. I know you have seen a lot of content creators advertise and sell digital products to you. They sell courses, they sell masterclass section. I mean, this is one proven way, this is one easy way to make money, selling digital products. Now in that your niche, when you attract people, they begin to see you as an authority in your niche. You can decide to create a digital product, solve a particular problem with your digital product, with your course. People will pay you to gain that knowledge. Now there's a lot of knowledge I'm dishing out here for free when it comes to content creation on YouTube. I can decide to package them as a course and charge you for it. People are doing it, but I've decided to pour all of mine here for now for free. So if you know that thing, you know how to do, you can create a digital product around that topic. You sell it to your people, to your followers, to your audience. They will buy it. You market it, you sell it, you highlight their pain points, and then you explain or you describe how your course is going to solve that pain point, it's going to tackle that pain point. They will buy because they're going to get value. You can charge 5k, 10k, 20k, 50k depending on what you have packaged in that course. 5 methods. The number 5 way that content creators are using to make money is offering services online. Lots of content creators, they understand video editing. They offer that as a service. They edit videos for people and they are paid for it. Content creators, they know or they learn how to do videography, photography. That is a service. People pay them to do that for them. Personally, I do video editing. That's one service I do and I get paid for it. I can edit videos. Do you understand? I can create content for brands. They pay me for it. I can create content for brands, for businesses. I understand social media marketing. I offer that as a service and I am being paid for it as a content creator. So these are 5 different ways that you can use to start making money with that content, from your content. You're not just posting for entertaining. No. Yes, you are entertaining people, but again, you're making money from your content. Do you get? If you want to grow faster as a content creator, there are things you need to do. Please, number 1 is you need to be consistent. See, consistency is so important. Consistency is so important. If you want to grow faster, you want to be relevant, you want people to know you, you need to keep showing up. You need to keep showing up for your brand, for your content creation journey. The second thing you need to do is please go learn editing. See, editing is no longer the editing you used to know. Myself, when I see some editing like this, I am like, wow. When I see the way some videos have been edited these days, it leaves me. Go learn editing. In short, CapCut, Canva, Adobe. Go learn editing. There are videos here on YouTube that will teach you editing. The third thing you can do to grow faster is collaboration. See, collaboration over competition. Collaborate with people in your number. You know, most of us, you want to collaborate, but you're looking for that creator that has hundreds of thousands or even millions of followers or subscribers. You want to collaborate with them. Man, that would be a difficult one. Collaborate with people in your range of followers, your range of subscribers. Collaborate with them. Collaborate with them. When you're collaborating, you're exchanging, audience. This person audience will see your content. If they love it, they subscribe or they follow your page. The other person, do you understand? Collaborate. Very important. The next thing I want you to have at the back of your mind, if you want to grow faster, always deliver value. Your content should be valuable content. Educate people with your content. Entertain people with your content. Inspire people with your content. This content you've watched up to this point, I am sure that I have educated you. I'm sure that maybe I've not entertained you, but I have educated you and I've inspired you. Deliver value every single content you post. It should either be entertaining, educating, or inspiring. That's it about this video. Hope you found it helpful. I have videos on the screen that will show you how to start up your YouTube journey. If you are just a beginner and you want to start, trust me, you want to check out this video. So I'll see you in any of the videos on your screen. I love you.